What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied. Right now we have an issue with our cigar 12 volt output, and basically I think it blew a fuse. I was using the car pump the other day for my tire and it just went out, so the car pump stopped pumping. So right now we look like we're out of luck right now. So we are going to change the fuse. And let's go ahead. Now, I will post this just in case y'all don't have y'all user manual. So this is for my 2000 Mercury Sable. And here we have a new fuse. All right. And I'm going to swap it out for the old fuse. So if you come down, now most of this stuff I got rid of already. There used to be a plastic cover here. I think I threw it away, didn't really need it. It's an old car. I don't think nobody else is going to buy it after me because I plan on keeping it anyway. But let me bring the light up here. If you come up here, I took the cover off a long time ago just to keep it off. I don't really need it, but beside this box right here, the fuse cover box is right there, and you usually just unclip it off from that clip right here on the bottom. Don't know if y'all can see it too well, but there's a clip right there. All right. Now, on here, it says cigar lighter 1320A. And then if you flip onto the diagram, it lets you know what fuse component box it is. It says passenger compartment fuse panel. So basically it's on the driver's side, but anyways, so this is the fuse compartment. So over here is 13. Hopefully y'all can see it. Am I too close? Okay, so we have 11, 12, 13. Now the way this is, it looks like this going up. And then that's what that looked like right there. So our 11, 12, and 13 is the first three that's on the top. So I'm going to take it off. Hopefully I can still keep y'all on camera while I do this. Let me find a good angle to put this light. That looks good right there. I can see a little bit. All right, now let me try to take that off. Grab some pliers and pull. Oh, there we go. And they say this is a 20A. That's what it says on here. Right here. It says 20A, and we just pulled it out of location 13. Now right here I got the new one. All right, now we will look at it. Now let's look. It looked like the fuse has blown from the center from what I see. All right, and then we have the new fuse. I got another new fuse, so see, now you can see it perfect. You see that? You can see that perfectly. Right there in the middle, that little loop right there. Don't look like it's blown. All right. Now, as you saw, my white charger usually supposed to have a blue light on it, and it didn't have the blue light when I was, when I had the blown fuse on there. So we're gonna put the new fuse on. It's a little bit harder with the camera, you guys. I'm just trying to show y'all though. All right, you guys, I may have to put y'all down, but y'all get the point. Okay, you guys, so I just put the new fuse in. It is in, okay? Now, we'll grab our little charger right here. And let's see if the blue light comes on. Yep, blue light is on. We have power here, and check the one on the bottom. Yep, that was it. We're done. Out with the old fuse, in with the new. Mission accomplished. Now it's time to go driving.